As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Q2800N Plus. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The char-broil is definitely the more budget-friendly option, usually around $148, while the Weber is sitting at $399. Big price difference, huh?
Definitely. But is the Weber worth the extra cash? I mean, the Charbroil has a decent 4.5-star rating with over 3,000 reviews, so it can't be asterisk that bad.
True, but look at the cooking area. The char-broil only has 200 square inches, while the Weber boasts a larger grilling surface that fits up to 12 burgers. If you're cooking for a family, that extra space is a lifesaver.
Good point. And what about the burners? The Charbroil has a single 9,500 BTU burner, but the Weber has a plus burner for searing or low roasting. Sounds versatile.
Exactly. The Weber's temperature range is also much wider, from 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do so much more with that. The Charbroil, it's more of a one-trick pony for medium-high heat grilling.
Okay. Portability-wise, the Charbroil weighs only 20 pounds, while the Weber is a hefty 51 pounds. That's a big difference if you're actually carrying it around.
Yeah, the Charbroil is the clear winner for true portability. But the Weber does have detachable side tables for prep space, which is a nice bonus, and it has a high dome lid so you can cook larger things.
Okay, so Charbroil is lighter and cheaper, but Weber has more cooking space, temperature control, and features. What about build quality?
The Weber uses porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, which are better for heat retention and searing. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are easier to clean, but not as good for heat.
Okay, and the Weber is compatible with the Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes. That sounds pretty cool for remote monitoring.
Yeah, if you're into that kind of thing. Ultimately, if you're looking for a basic, super portable grill on a budget, the Charbroil is fine. But if you want more features, better performance, and don't mind the extra weight and price, the Weber Q2800N Plus is the way to go. It really depends on your needs.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.